How can basic statistical software debunk baseball myths? Imagine a world where old beliefs about baseball are challenged by real data. That's what basic statistical software makes possible. It helps us look beyond stories and legends to see what's true. Many baseball myths have been passed down 4 generations, like the idea that batting average is the best way to judge a hitter's value, or that pitchers with low earned run averages are always the most effective. These ideas seem logical but aren't always backed by facts. Basic statistical software can change that. Tools like spreadsheet programs, R, and Python are simple to use and powerful enough to handle large amounts of data. They can pull stats from sources like Baseball Reference, Fangraphs, and Major League Baseball's StatCast system. These sources give us detailed data on players from different eras. Traditional stats like batting average, runs batted in, and earned run average are easy to understand. But they don't tell the full story. Batting average ignores walks and extra base hits, while earned run average can be affected by team defense or luck. Advanced stats like on-base percentage, slugging percentage, weighted on-base average, and fielding independent pitching give a clearer picture of a player's true contribution. Using basic statistical software, you can calculate these advanced stats for any player, past or present. For example, you can compare Babe Ruth's weighted on-base average to Mike Trout's to see who was more effective in their era. Or you can analyze how pitchers from the 1960s compare to today's pitchers using fielding independent pitching. This kind of analysis can reveal that some players who were considered great in the past might not hold up under modern metrics. Conversely, overlooked players from earlier times might actually have been more valuable than traditional stats suggest. Let's say you want to test if clutch hitters really perform better in high-pressure situations. You can pull play-by-play data, filter for late inning, close game situations, and compare those numbers to a player's overall stats. Many studies using this method show that most players perform about the same in clutch moments as they do normally. This challenges the myth of the clutch hitter. Another myth is that certain ballparks make it easier or harder to hit home runs. With software, you can adjust player stats for park effects. This shows that some players' high home run totals are partly due to their stadiums, not just their skill. Data visualization is another benefit of these tools. You can create graphs to show how strikeout rates have changed over decades or how the value of stolen bases has shifted. Visuals make complex ideas easier to understand and compare. Coaches can use these tools to find undervalued players or decide the best lineup. Fans can settle debates with facts instead of opinions. Historians can re-examine the careers of past stars with modern metrics. In short, basic statistical software gives everyone the ability to question old ideas and see baseball in a new light. It helps separate fact from fiction by analyzing real data from players past and present. This way, we get a more accurate picture of what really makes a player great and what doesn't.